off the key, man. That big old gun. Mr. P.I.M.P., man. I'm getting doing what he's doing. 131 in the desert. Get on down. Okay, what we got?
All right, 131. I can't take any away from you there. Looking real good. Good sound. 88's got a different sound. It just gets through when he does there. But you'll see it on the gate. I hear you both. Almost 50-50. It's interesting. 131, 88, 808 with the gate. Still rolling. I'm back out.
4, Mr. Postman. 4, Mr. Postman. Keeping it clean, keeping it mean. And we just high five. Looking good on the oscilloscope. This is Fallon from the 3. Here we go. I appreciate that long distance. Let's play a radio station on this hi-fi radio station here in the California desert. Mr. Postman.
Bye, 88. I try to keep it real. You'll see what I mean. 88, 808, back out.
I feel a choice, man. The correct time qualities, mid-range, highs, lows, recorded off an iPhone, so 131 out in Southern Cal in the desert is 4-man pleasure on this end. Yeah, the pleasure is coming. Get out the key, get out of the middle of the road. 131. Yes, on sound. Well, man, your CD speaker. And I'm down now. Break up. Like you said, you'd be talking, I'd get in there and say, hello, and say something. I'd back out and let you talk and hello again, get back in there. That's all, I was just trying.
He's still showing up though, 88. You got some good audio, 88. Don't let anyone tell you anything other than you got good audio. Fading on the bowl.
I see that. It didn't look like one. Oh, my bad.
Oh, I couldn't hear. They're coming in loud too, but they're kind of fading out. 131 and 88 we're keying up to 06 Postman.
Hey, have you tried it? 6 feet off the ground. Have you played?
Yeah, I did, but the wind got so big yesterday, I had to go shut them down. I was going to do them today, but I took the 44s fishing, so we did that all morning till afternoon.
Good man, good man. Hey, why for a couple when you can stay a whole day? I see. Oh, you planning a day. You're not planning for a few hours. You're planning on a day.
Jake. Well, I got to get it. I'm going to get a 10-foot pole and experiment with that. and get that all dialed in. So, because that'll be the running one. 6 feet, I don't think it's tall enough.
Yeah, check on that. Yeah, I have an aluminum flagpole, 22 footer. Not that base. Has to be anchored somehow. But I have one of them aluminum ones. If anybody's interested in putting something in the air, let me know.
I had a 20-foot aluminum and I cut it in half and then I turned them into recycling. I should have kept it. It was a 2-inch outside diameter too.
Oh no, this is a lot bigger. I was thinking about making something like for a boom. But can you imagine the metal part that to hold up the boom?
Yeah. Well, I felt some wind load on the 6-foot pole. So I can imagine I go that much further. I'm going to go anchor them to the house though. I got a perfect spot to do a quick strap with some little lag bolts.
I'd be interested in putting 2 setups on the YouTube. You know, one on the flat side and one on the ground plane. And the people will be amazed. Oh, I'm not going to hear myself. Oh, I was killing. Then they look on the ground plane, they're killing, they go on the flat side, they cannot hear themselves at all.
Yeah. Just I got my switch too. I'll just sit there and switch back and forth.
Yeah. Showing that it is split conditions when we have that type of condition, or we have the other one. Yeah, that'd be really interesting.
I'm experimenting, so I'm gonna take them easy. Try them out at home before I go take them for an excursion. We're gonna make sure it works real good at home before we go take them out.
Yeah, of course, yes. Well, just don't have that little mobile come close to it. Then you want to leave it at home. That's simple.
Jig.
Is that the new island bird? The bird called the awk. Yeah, the awk bird. But. That's me there. I trail, but I awk out.
Yeah, you gotta watch out. It's almost season.
They come around planning.